In order to have this way of openness, we must have a big heart, like the heart of Jesus, to open to most of the things, but we cannot open to everything. But I'd like to quote a sentence from a French cardinal that was asked from the journalist about the independence of the church in political terms, and he answered, "I am on the extreme center. I'm not on the right or on the left, I'm at the extreme center." And I think this answer is very beautiful. It means that our heart is really at the center and it can expand to both sides. We should not be at any of the extremes, be it right or left. We are at the center. Because if we are at the extremes, we cannot make communion. I'm not trying to defend. You know that there has been a campaign, a very hard campaign against the shrine, and there have been people that are on those extremes and are campaigning against the pastoral of the shrine. And we must be open to this. And when we cannot open more, we make the sacrifice and accept it and offer it to God. We want, most of all, unity of all within the church. Unity with those who are inside the church, with those who are outside, and also with those who have inside themselves the seeds. They are not with the Catholic Church, but they have the seeds of God's love inside them. They may be with other religions, and we need to be open to see the love of God in them. There was an approval from the Bishop of Leiria by the church about the apparitions. Right after the apparitions, it took some years, but then it came from the first Bishop of Leiria. So there was a recognition from the Bishop and also from the Holy See. Although the Holy See still has some frontiers, especially on what Lúcia wrote.
Acerca de Fátima, é interessante que o 12 só uma vez ou duas vezes é que empregou o termo aparições.
It's interesting that, for instance, if you read the document of Pius XII, he only used the word apparitions twice. And spoke a lot about the shrine of Fatima and said that the shrine was a center of graces, but never really dealt with the topic of the apparitions. Meaning that there must be always some reservations. We should not read there what is not there. But nowadays Fatima has the approval, the full approval from the church, the authority, the maximum authority, and locally too. We don't doubt about it. What is then the pastoral of the Shrine of Fatima? So the pastoral of the Shrine of Fatima is practically the continuity of these pastorals that come from the angel, from the shepherds that precede us, for all the groups that come to Fatima, for all those who are at the service of the shrine. It's like an attempt to be united and continue transmitting or telling the message of Our Lady. I would say that the Shrine of Fatima has to have a special attention to three fields. And the first one, and the first point is to have a Catholic reading of the message. The Shrine of Fatima, no doubt, is a Catholic shrine. There is no doubt about it. It's a Christian Catholic shrine. Because Our Lady appeared to three little shepherds who were Catholics, and these three little shepherds were practicing Catholics. They had assisted or been for Mass before going to take their flocks out. And all the context where the apparition took place is a Catholic context. And after all, the message that Our Lady gives, and then the devotions, the rosary, the prayers taught are all Catholic things. There is more. Our Lady went as far as to attribute, as to give a certain mission to the authority of the Church. The authority of the Church is like materialized, concretizes our own convictions. There is really a context of Catholicism inside the message. And this last part of the message, which was revealed in 2000 and in the year 2000, the third part of the secret, the vision of that people, of the Pope himself, who is climbing the hill. So it means that he is the head of the Church, of these Catholic people. That bishop dressed in white, the children interpreted as if they were the Pope. And then there were the bishops and the priests and the religious, and then all the faithful people, all the Christ faithful people. So this is the Church. So the message of Fatima is a message for the Church, and is typically Catholic. And because it is Catholic message, it has the capacity to open to all.
Agora eu vou abreviar mais ainda, longos, esta parte final da mensagem.
The final part of the message of Fatima reveals us a prophecy for our century. Well, we know that the Second World War is finished, has gone. It's evident that the conversion of Russia has not passed, but has started. But that final of the third part of the secret says that the blood of the martyrs, was coming down from the cross and was collected by two angels in crystal containers, which is strange in a way. And the vision also says that those containers with the blood of the martyrs were used, or they would be used, to animate, to give life to those souls who would come close to God. And those souls that would come to God could only be the souls of those people who had been killed and were suffering in that division. So if that blood serves to give life to those souls, I think those souls are the ones from our century. So, what is our mission? What should be our mission? We should make sure that this blood of the martyrs is not lost. We should use it well. We will then be shepherds of Fatima in the sense that we will perceive that that blood is the blood also of Jesus Christ, and that through it we can reach the salvific mystery. And so if we identify ourselves with the sacrifice and prayer, identifying ourselves with Christ, then we can, through our apostolate also, complete the mystery of salvation. We can draw people's soul close to God. I see here an important aspect for the message of Fatima. The mystery of Fatima is something which goes beyond us. It transcends us that live there at the shrine, because daily we are witnessing things that we have not done. It's not our work. We are just too little there, too small. So there are things which are not done by us. They come from above. But in the meantime, we have a mission, because we belong to this procession of people that are being martyrized. It's enough to offer sacrifices to make unity and salvation. And so we are fulfilling the message of Fatima. And we are accomplishing the end of the message of Fatima, the goal of the message of Fatima, which is peace, as Bishop Serafim has spoken already. Peace in heaven, in the eternity, because that's there, that things will not end but will continue. So the message of Fatima is a message of future. And our apostolate will be a source of graces to all of us. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to take part in the Congress that is going to be held in Fatima in October this year, a Congress on the movements that are related to Fatima, the worldwide movement. So you are invited to participate there. And I'm sorry for having been a bit complex and fast. Thank you very much. Dor de cabeça. Agradecemos ao Sr. Reitor.
Exposition full of pastoral experience and wise words. This is what we are trying to do precisely. The new evangelization, first of our national leaders, then of our members, and afterwards of our advocates. So we are very pleased.
Não exista e não deteste nada do que ele fez. Se ele odiasse alguma coisa,
if he had hated something, he would have not hated This is written in the
Dalle
Book of Wisdom.
grandi scrive del popolo ebraico, dice un altro libro della sabiduria, un popolo scelto.
I read in that book of the wisdom in the history of the people during their crisis.
Do seu Salvador, e na maior das crises da história veio o próprio Filho de Deus, sendo falado por meio do Filho, do próprio Deus, a quem constitui também
First through prophets, then through his own Son.
todos os séculos.
And now God continues to intervene. And when Jesus came, he told us all truth. He cured the sick people, consoled the afflicted, and gave solution to the problems. And then after Jesus Christ came, the popes, the bishops, and the great saints to help us. The voice of each one of these people can change, can be different, but it's always the Holy Spirit that is giving life to the church and that speaks and directs the souls to heaven.
Fixo agora este acontecimento de Fátima. O cardeal Arcadio Larraón, na homilia de 13
The Cardinal Arcadio Larraón, on May the 13th, 1963, spoke in Fatima like this. There has never been a supernatural manifestation of Our Lady with such a rich spiritual content as it happened here in Fatima. Not even an apparition recognized that has transmitted to us such a clear message, so maternal, so deeply like the one of Fatima. And the theologian from Canada said and wrote these words, which appear to be exaggerated. The message of Fatima is the extraordinary event is the event that is most extraordinary than the coming of the Son of God. Because with the apparition in Fatima, it also completed and has revealed the incarnation of God. That's why the messengers of Fatima, we here present, are the future apostles. We need to continue and operate what the Son of God has come to do. What does God want to tell us with this message through His Mother? What has to be our answer? I'd like to show you a living example through a series of portraits. And for that I'll speak about the three little shepherds, because they are the ones who heard, understood, and answered to the appeal made by Our Lady. We read in the Gospel that one day Jesus said, I bless you, Father, Lord of heaven and land, because you have hidden these little things to the wise and you reveal them to the little ones. one day I was with the
cambiare Colonia,
Cardinal of Colonia. We went to inaugurate the library, the library of the Catholic University, and I spoke to the
Ora,
teachers.
senhores professores, aqui em Portugal, não foi a vocês que apareceu Nossa Senhora.
And then he asked this teacher, it was not to you that Our Lady appeared, she appeared to three little shepherds. This to say that in Fatima, the first ones that saw and understood the message were not the important people, the teachers, the wise people, but three little children. These ones, the big people, they discussed, they tried to see what was the message all about, but only when the miracle of the sun took place, they understood something, and they could not discuss anything else. Those who have understood better the message and that have better answered to it were the three little shepherds. That's why they are and will be forever the most important people for the message. I'd like to share with you some fundamental aspects and the way the three little shepherds have understood and lived the message. The Church has already declared Francisco and Jacinta blessed. Why? And for what?
Desde tempos imemoriais, lê-se na Constituição Divina Redentoris Magister de 25 de janeiro de 83.
It's already written in a document in the Church why the Church makes people blessed or saints. What is it for? It's for three main reasons. The first is imitation. Blessed and saints are presented like models to be imitated. Francisco and Jacinta had a message which they incarnated in the first place and are an example for the little ones but also for all of us. Second aspect is veneration. The veneration to the blessed, that is Blessed Francis Jacinta, can have public veneration with statues on the altar and feasts of commemoration. But when they are canonized, that cult can be done in all universal church.
As duas crianças, Francisco e Jacinta já beatificadas, são intermediárias junto de Deus.
And third, invocation. The churches recognize that the two children already beatified, they are intermediated between God and the people who use them to invoke God. With the beatification of Francisco Jacinta, it is confirmed and recognized the authenticity of the message of Fatima and of all what happened there in 1917. Since the apparition of the angel till our times, and the church presents to the world these two little shepherds as intercessors of graces and blessings for all those who are still here on this land.
che prego a mensagem da
Since they are worthy of veneration and intercession, they can be imitated because they are models
os primeiros realizadores desta mensagem.
They are models of people who
Das
lived
memórias da irmã
deeply the message of the apparitions,
foram
the request from the angel and of Our
depois da
Lady.
morte das duas crianças muito
And they are the first ones that realize this message. In Sisters Don't Lose the Book, we can easily read and see many examples and episodes that show the greatest change in the three little shepherds' life since the apparitions till the day they passed away and went to heaven. We know that by universal vocation we are all called to holiness. It's in the Gospel of St. Matthew. Be saints as your Father in heaven is holy. That's why our life must be an ongoing way to holiness.
Embora todos se encontrem no livro da vida, a Igreja averiguou exaustivamente a vida destes dois.
However, the result of this way can be different from people to people.
Fátima, assim, tornou-se o caminho de céu para a terra e também o caminho dos habitantes da terra para o céu.
All blessed and saints have done a special message on this earth. They have fulfilled what it means to be Christian at their time when they lived.
Num dado momento da história, a sua resposta a Deus foi segundo a exigência desse período da história que lhes foi dado para viver.
So they lived at a particular time of human history, and during that time they managed to answer the will of God, and they tried to correspond and do what was requested of them. Also as Christians of our days, we are all called to be holy people. And for this, the life of the little shepherds give us a great lesson. They lived in a different place. They were far from places where we live now. They didn't know how to read. They were not introduced to what we could call today a school of sanctity to express their interior life. There is nobody that can say what was their spirituality before the apparitions. The three little shepherds have contagiated the whole world with their marvelous perfume. In their loneliness, they have fulfilled an important mission. They have shown us today the Christian ideal. Their example is of an extraordinary importance. They are a living gospel, which words are being written with their own lives. In the meeting they had with the Blessed Virgin Mary, which produced inside them, in their hearts, such a great love to God. And that's why they said, are we not burning inside in that light that is God? And it was
São
this
Paulo não
love
podia dizer nada.
to God that made
Todo
them
dia
to be
Deus é o
holy.
Deus é o amor. E foi este amor que nos santificou. Daqui nasceu o amor sacrificado pelos homens, que levou as suas vidas até ao heroísmo. Conhecendo profundamente a causa de condenação das almas,
So this love which penetrated their heart
para salvar.
helped them
O nosso mundo precisa
to
mais
be
de tomar
instruments of
consciência
salvation for other people.
desta realidade.
And our world needs to take that on board.
Pode escrever as suas vidas a própria irmã Lúcia,
When Sister Lucia
depois da morte
tried to
de
describe
Jesucristo,
the lives of Franciscan Jacinta,
sentiu a
she didn't have,
insuficiência
like,
da linguagem.
enough words to
Tudo
express
o que
it.
escreveu sobre
All
seus
that she
filhos
wrote about
pareceu-lhe
their cousins, about her cousins,
balbuciar. O mais importante
she
ficava
said
nas
was not
entrelinhas.
enough. She said something, but
Isto quer
much more was to
dizer
say,
que,
but she could not find the
embora
right
tenha
words.
vivido tanto com ele, não se sentiu capaz de exprimir plenamente a viva expressão que eles lhe faziam da sua grande estima por ele. Apesar disso, sente-se uma atração irresistível por estas crianças.
Despite the fact that she could not say a lot about them, we feel, as we read the book, we feel an irresistible attraction towards these little children.
A proximidade de Deus
We perceive the charismatic atmosphere.
e ganha-se o vivo desejo de nos parecermos os
We
pastorinhos
understand that
que
closeness
sentimos pena de não
that
termos
the
tanto
three
como
little shepherds or the two little shepherds had with God.
Antes de
And
morrer
sometimes we
a
feel
irmã
that
Lúcia,
we would like to be
dia 13
like them.
de fevereiro do ano passado,
Our Lucia
em
died
16 de janeiro, eu
on
estive em
February
Goiás,
13th.
arrisquei,
2005.
porque me interessava muito a canonização dos pastorinhos. A irmã Lúcia escreveu numa carta ao Senhor Dom José que estava convencida que os dois pastorinhos
Sometime before her death, I met her,
vão receber a auréola da santidade.
and she said
Dia canonizado.
that she was certain that the two shepherds would be
Que os pastorinhos vão
beatified
ser
sometime.
beatificados.
Long ago, she had written a letter to Bishop José, the first bishop of Leiria Fátima, saying that she believed they would be beatified. And she answered, Lucia answered, that she knew she would live till the day they would be beatified. And when I asked her, will you live to see the canonization of the shepherds? And she didn't answer.
Como toque de sino, cada sino tem o seu som, mas só o conjunto transmite a verdadeira
The shepherds are like
música.
a bell.
Convidado hoje a ouvir esta música da eternidade.
Each bell has its own
Temos
sound,
que
but it's
agradecer
only
mesmo a irmã Lúcia,
a few
hoje,
bells together that make the
Francisco e
harmony,
Jacinta
the true
são
beautiful
dois
sound.
representantes da mesma sabe, através
The
da
world
sua
is
pequenez,
invited today to listen to the music that comes from the lives of Franciscan Jacinta.
o Evangelho de uma maneira
They have
impressionante.
lived the gospel in an impressive manner.
Não foram eles que abandonaram as fileiras do homem comum.
It was not by their choice that they became saints. It was God Himself came to them and invited them for a special mission.
É transmitida para nós também. Esta regra geral de todas as missões singulares conhecidas a quatro
And this is the
pessoas,
general law for
quando a
special
divina
missions.
providência
When
escolhe
God
alguém
wants
para
and
uma
chooses
graça
somebody
particular,
to have a special
concede
mission
à pessoa
and give to that person special charisma, special gifts which are necessary to develop that mission.
realização e também para transmitir para a sua igreja. Isto verificou-se de forma eminente nos presbíteros Francisco de Jacinta,
This was well seen in the shepherds Francisco and Jacinta, which have been chosen to show to the world by their words and by their life the rich message of Our Lady. And they were faithful to this mission and felt always that courage to continue growing in holiness. They were never satisfied with what they had achieved, because in life there is no finished perfection. They never felt satisfied with their efforts. They wanted more and more. I would like to underline here
o caminho para uma santidade canônica, portanto, para serem beatificadas e canonizadas de nome mártir, o caminho estava fechado.
I'd like also to say here that for many years it was impossible to beatify children, no martyrs. And that's why the process took so long. And I was told several times in Rome that we would never be able to get these children beatified. But then there was a precedent and there was a change in the law, and so we must be thankful to it, because we have now Blessed Franciscan Jacinta as a model for us.
Os pequenos pastorinhos da Serra passavam a ser gigantes no reino de Deus. E o que mais nos causa admiração é o fato de
So after the beatification, something great happened. The three little shepherds from Fatima, they became giants in God's kingdom. And what admires us most is that these little children, they were able to meet by themselves only. In the last century, in the 20th century, the same expressions that have identified them as the big saints that we have in the church, in our world. So we have them now at the same level of other big saints, of whom we have read their biographies. They had no masters, no models, or whatever other specific spirituality, but the shepherds repeat the same characteristics of Christian holiness that comes from other saints in the past centuries. They have understood quickly that sacrifices, persecutions, and illnesses can be used, and they are used indeed, to write the message in it. They will serve to transmit the message.
Avançar uma grande perfeição no seguimento de Cristo, no exercício das suas virtudes cristãs. Apesar de serem de tenra idade, deixavam-nos um exímio testemunho de obediência à vontade de Deus, de amor ardente ao Imaculado.
They left us an extraordinary example to the love to the Immaculate Heart of Mary, and they also told us through their lives that holiness can be achieved by everybody.
Pelas necessidades da Igreja e pela conversão dos pecadores. A Santa Igreja assim colocou no seu firmamento, quero dizer, as suas vidas constitua um exemplo a apresentar a cristandade italiana, pela correspondente declaração da heredità das virtudes e pela atribuição das honras do santuário.
So the Holy Church has made them to be really an example to present to the whole world.
Por isso deve constituir mais facilmente também para nós um exemplo.
Christ has declared that there are many places in his Father's house, and therefore there are many different ways to get to that house. The Spirit of our Lord blows wherever he wants to. But the ways that wind can take are mysterious and can take the souls to God through ways which are different. But with specific itineraries that we can well know. One first element of holiness that is seen in these two children, it's the family. Many saints, now canonized, were born and grew up in the midst of a holy family. Sometimes we get the impression that some parents have passed on to their sons the grace and the sanctity, not sin. The parents of Franciscan Jacinta probably will never be canonized, but that's not important. Maybe they were not much different from all the other parents in the village, but the truth is that in their home where these children were born, there was an atmosphere entirely Christian, which was based on honesty, on the truth. Love to the truth was something very present in this family. We don't tell lies. That's what the parents would say, Jacinta and Francisco. It was part of the education of these children. And it was precisely because of this education that they had received is that they could not lie, and they remained firm in the affirmations they made about the apparitions.
Alberto dia perguntou tio Marco, assim me contava, tio Marco, o senhor não duvidava quando aquela criancinha começou a falar língua.
That's why once Bishop Alberto asked Tim Marto, which is the father of Jacinta and Francisco, did you doubt about what your children were saying? And he said, I have no doubt about it. He knew they had been educated well.
E então, que pensamento tinha o tio Marco neste momento? Eu pensei assim, hoje vivemos num mundo que os homens querem fora dele, nunca tinha do mundo. E eu pensei, agora vem a resposta dele. O tio Marco nunca duvidava da sua veracidade, da sua
The father of Jacinta and Francisco had never doubt about the simplicity and the truth that his children were telling the truth.
Que a história das aparições fora inventada por ele. Foi precisamente para não mentir que eles permaneciam tão firmes
They could not lie. That would go against all their education. Another characteristic was the love to purity. Amazements, words, attitudes, personal attitudes, all was honest, delicate, and pure. The Christian piety through prayer, by going for Sunday Mass, by receiving the sacraments, was another characteristic of this family. On May 13, 1917, Jacinta was 7 years old and Francisco was 9. On that day, a new way is opened in their lives. They receive the first communication from heaven. The lady, more brilliant than the sun, came from heaven and spoke to them. And the apparition promised them that she would take them to heaven and asked them this fundamental question: you want to offer to God all of yourselves to support all the sufferings that He may want to give you in reparation for the sins with whom He is most offended and for the conversion of sinners? And they said, yes, we do. In this short dialogue, those three little children made a mystic experience that were to mark the way of their living. And these are the basic foundations for the spirituality of the three little shepherds. The other meetings with the apparition help to characterize these elements. The essential, however, is the first apparition. The first element is heaven. Heaven is a place from where Our Lady comes. It is heaven that she promised to the three little shepherds. The Church wants that all Christians look up to heaven as the goal of our lives, that we all think of heaven, that we desire to get there, and that we live a life that makes us worthy to be there one time. So that one day we may also listen these words: "Come, blessed of my Father, because the reign of God, God's kingdom is prepared since eternity for you." The other element is the risk of losing oneself soul, losing our soul, the risk of hell, that Our Lady was to show clearly to the little children in the third apparition. Once I took Lucia to see a picture that a religious person had made about the hell.
Signor Padre, nesta aparição não se vê um inferno.
And she said, in the third apparition, we don't see hell.
Não se podia olhar, ficou com pena.
And Lucia
não podia fazer mais fogo.
said that the vision she had of hell was like in a big hole, and they could not look at it properly. They saw that and they could not look anymore. And they were horrified by what they saw.
E apareceram vísceras claramente que vinha por causa do pecado, porque Nosso Senhor também estava muito ofendido.
The apparition came, told them clearly that was coming because of sin, because our Lord was much offended by sin. And here comes the most important element of the message given to the little shepherds. And it is said in a way of a question which respects entirely the children's freedom. You want to offer yourselves to God, to bear, to put up, to support all the sufferings that He may want to send you for the conversion of sinners and the reparation for those sinners. And the answer came spontaneously with a simplicity and generosity. Yes, we do. It's the answer of the creature to the invitation from God. The yes, that means freedom and commitment. That signs all our life. When this happens, human life enters truly the world and the way of God. And we end up by being able to say, I live, but it's no longer me that I live, it's God that lives in me.
Nossa Senhora prometeu às crianças para virem ainda sexta vez, no dia 13 de outubro, e eu vou trazer uma sétima vez. Eu talvez para alívio daquele que Deus é misericordioso, mesmo cheio de amor, conto uma história que ainda não foi publicada.
I'm going to tell you a story which has not yet been published. Sister Lucia,
morreram os dois sobrinhos,
after the Francisca Jacinta died, she remained
com
alone when she was 14. And the new bishop came to the diocese, Monsignor José,
chamou a pequena Jacinta para si, com a licença da mãe ainda, e disse-lhe que tu tens que sair de Fátima, porque tens que ir para um
told
lugar
Lucia that you should leave Fatima and to go to a place to be somehow protected.
Tu não vais dizer a ninguém quem tu és.
And then you are not going to tell anybody who you are.
Não vais revelar nada. Tu ficas desconhecido até vais ter
You are not going to reveal anything. You are going to have another name, Maria das Dores. You are not going to write to anybody.
Tua mãe, mas por intermédio de outro
You can
sacerdote que
write
manda
to your
carta,
mother, but will have
e
to be
esse
through a
sacerdote
priest.
vai ler a tua mãe e a
And this
mãe
priest will
pode
read the
mandar
letters to your
carta,
mother.
mas por meio deste
And your
sacerdote
mother can reply also to that priest.
tu tens que sair e tens que despedir-te dos teus lugares mais queridos que há
So
outro.
you must leave Fatima and say bye-bye
a tua casa,
your
a
dearest
tua família.
people.
Nunca mais vais visitar a tua família.
You are no longer to visit your family.
Queres fazer isso? Sim,
And the bishop said, do you want to do this?
mas revela então uma coisa.
And then Lucia says yes and reveals something that's very important.
Estava a chegar o dia de partida para o
It
Porto
was arriving the day she was to leave Fatima and go to Oporto in the north of Portugal.
E foi despedir-se
And she
de
went
todos
to say
os
bye-bye
lugares.
from
E chegando
people and all the places where the apparitions took place.
estava cercado deitou por cima.
And when she went close to the
Inundou
spot,
as lágrimas
the oak tree where Our Lady had appeared,
conseguiram tirar da terra da Asineia e disse, eu não vou sair daqui.
and when she got close to the tree, she said, I'm not
Não sei
going to leave
por
Fatima.
qualquer lugar, é?
I don't know where Porto is.
Isso é para a árvore. Não vou.
I'm not going.
Coitada criança.
And she was crying.
A chorar
She was crying a lot,
todo o tempo,
all the time,
lá junto da Asineia.
near the spot where Our Lady had appeared.
Se calhar pensa que existia tronco dessas raízes e alguém colocou
And
a mão
as
sobre
she
o
was crying, there
ombro.
was somebody who came and put
Olha
his
para
hand
trás
on Lucia's shoulder,
e ela disse, aqui estou pela 7ª vez.
and she looked behind and said, Here I am
E
for
tu
the
tens
7th
que
time,
obedecer ao Senhor Bispo.
and you have to obey to the bishop,
É a vontade de Deus.
because it is God's will.
Coitada criança, ficou aliviada com a força materna. Lembrava-se das palavras, eu nunca te deixarei.
So she got relieved with these words, and she remembered the words that Our Lady had told her, I will never leave you alone.
Levantou-se,
And then she stood up
foi de novo continuar as suas
and she went
despedidas.
again
Louca do cabelo,
to continue her
depois do
farewell,
poço,
went to
dia
Valinhos,
seguinte às 2
place
horas
where
da
the angel
tarde,
appeared,
com a mãe, pela seis
and
de
the
novo,
following day at 2 o'clock in the morning she left
acompanhado por
and went to Oporto,
para Leiria a pé,
to Leiria on the foot first,
24
and then she would take the
quilômetros
train to go to Oporto.
Lá chegou, tomou o comboio, despediu-se da mãe. A mãe, com as dúvidas ainda na cabeça. E lá foi ela, seguiu o seu caminho com a proteção de Nossa Senhora.
And then
Aqui
she was
estou
followed
pela
to
7ª vez.
the way
Que maravilha foi esta promessa de Nossa Senhora.
What a wonderful
No
promise that Our
momento
Lady had told
mais
her
difícil,
that she would be with her all the time, and at that particular moment so difficult for Lucia.
então,
There she
pediu
was.
desculpa e seguiu o seu caminho. Se Deus quiser, no dia 19, vai
If God
chegar
wants, on February
também
19th,
onde estes pastorinhos, onde eles
she will come
fizeram muro
again from Coimbra
em volta de uma moita
to Fatima.
para guardarem aquelas plantas para não comer as ovelhas. Agora lá se construiu a basílica, lá estão o Francisco e a
Francisco and Jacinta they're already buried there in the basilica, and now Lucia will come and stay again close to them.
A linguagem clássica da teologia espiritual dizemos que o Espírito Santo, os seus dons que atua na alma. Seria muito difícil e muito interessante fazer estudo
It would be very interesting to study about the gifts that the Holy Spirit has placed in the life of the three little shepherds. And we could well see already a spiritual theology in their lives.
Mas agora Nossa Senhora deu por intermédio de Nossa Senhora veio o dom da fortaleza de obedecer. É difícil saber, mas eles praticavam este dom. Quando eles
We
recusaram
could use an example, just two of these gifts.
as joias que
One
eles
of the
ofereceram
understanding,
para contar o
knowledge,
segredo.
and the other one of
Tentar
strength,
decisivamente, então,
that
mais tarde,
look to be the most outstanding ones in their lives, especially being being
temos
kids.
que reconhecer
We don't really know
que
where
estamos
the
diante de
gift
atitudes
of strength comes, but it is
maravilhosas
difficult to
da graça
understand the
e perdão
limitations
da
of this
fortaleza.
natural resistance.
Que
But when we see
resistiu
children of this
este dom
age
nestas
to
crianças
support,
contra as
to put up
autoridades
with so
todas
much
que
insistence from the
levaram
family
para a vida.
that wants
No
them
Evangelho, por isso agradeço Nosso
to say
Senhor
that they are telling the
pelo
truth.
dom
When
do
we see them
entendimento para as crianças,
not receiving money,
penetração
and
destas
value
verdades nas suas
the
vidas
values that people wanted to offer them,
é
gold and money, so that they could reveal the secret of the operation. And when we see them being, firm and strong, we see that what is present in their lives is really the gift of strength that comes from God.
Na mensagem da Senhora, o ponto essencial
In the message of Our Lady, the main point
ofendido por causa dos pecados,
is the revelation that God is offended because of our sins. And after is the request for prayer and sacrifice to make reparation for those offenses and for the conversion of sinners.
Da ofensa de Deus, como será Jesus ofendido, era a sua grande paixão. Jacinta inclinou-se mais para a conversão dos pecadores.
The little Francisco was more inclined for the reparation
para nos livrar de cair nessa abismo.
to God, to console.
Cada
Jesus was offended, that was his passion.
fazer o
And
sacrifício
Jacinta was
pelos
more inclined
pecadores. Era a
to do something for
aplicação
the conversion
da
of sinners.
reverenda
She wanted to show everybody hell, so that they would not
ou aos animais. Era a sede prolongada que se
Taking a little bit closer to home.